Hello mathematicians, welcome back. Hope you had a nice night. We are back in for maths today, and I want to start with a race. See who can write in the social stream the strategy, two strategies, but you can just write one, for our finding perimeter topic that we're doing this week. Post in the social stream now, pause the video. Sorry, not in the social stream. Let's make a blog post. Put it on the blog post. Pause the video, write in the blog post. What is one of the strategies for perimeter? Off you go, see who gets there first. Now, yesterday, you might remember, I was a genius and used a mint. Yeah, it works so well. I'm so happy. I can't believe how well this works. Yeah, so satisfying. I used this to measure the whiteboard because I wanted to find a border, how much border I needed. Today, I'm going to do it for the iPad, so get excited. You're about to see a lot of my face. Okay, I want to find a new case for my iPad, so let's find out the perimeter. I've got, lining it up carefully. Well, this is a weird number. I thought it might be like a nice even number. 23 and a half. So, always a good idea to use a diagram. I really like that people are drawing diagrams to keep track. So it's 23.5 centimeters long. And look at that. Where are we up to? Okay, here we go. And then this looks like 17. Woo, 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 woo. 17 centimeters. There we go. Now, first option is to, hopefully someone's got this in the social stream by now, add 1 by 1. So let's do that now. 23.5 plus also 23.5. As I write it down, I cross it off to be safe so I don't miss any. 23.5 centimeters, 17 centimeters, and 17 centimeters. Okay, I have not lined this up very well. You're going to do better than this. 17 and 17. Whoa, this is not lined up at all. Okay. When you're adding decimals, year 5s, I wasn't planning to teach you this right now, but it's useful. You probably won't have decimals in your questions, but I do in mine because I measured a real life thing. The decimal points all have to line up whenever you're adding or subtracting decimals. If there is nothing after the decimal, you can just put a 0 just to show that there is a decimal point there. So 5, 5, 10, adding them all up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 7 is 14. Plus another 7 is 21. Carry the 2 10s. Decimal point all lined up. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 81 centimeters. That is a nice round number-ish. 81 centimeters around this iPad. So that's how much I'm going to need if I want to make a protective case around the iPad. I could stuff this section, stuff it with grass, or foam. That's how much foam I'd need to put it around the iPad, especially if I start firing rockets at it like I did last term. There you go, year 5. The second strategy, let's do this in green, is to add 2 times 2. So that would be the 23.5 plus the 17. These are the first 2 that I measured. You can still see this? Good. 23.5 plus 17. Another opportunity to line up the decimal points and and drop a 0 in there if it doesn't have anything after the decimal point. 5, 10, 40.5. So now I've added the 2, now I times by 2. 40.5 times 2. 2 5s are 10, carry the 10. 2 0 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 4s are 8. 81, great. A great way of checking that you've got it right is to use the other strategy to see if they're the same answer. Now I know where the decimal point goes because I know that I'm going 2 times 40, which is 80. 2 times 40 and a bit, so it's going to be close to 80, which means 81 is where I put my decimal point. Instead of just 8.10, that's way too small, or 810 with a decimal point there, 0.0, way too big. So I know 2 times 40 is going to give me something around 80. Okay, there you go, your 5s. Post in the forum if you have any questions, and I'll see who got there first on the blog for what the strategies are. Okay, keep it up, mathematicians. Love your work. See you soon. Bye.